Electrode potential. The potential difference between the electrode and electrolyte is called electrode potential. It is expressed in volts. It is a tendency of an electrode to lose or gain electrons when it is in contact with the solution of its own ion. Oxidation potential. The tendency of an electrode to lose electron is called oxidation potential. Reduction potential. The tendency of an electrode to gain electron is called reduction potential. According to IUPAC convention, the reduction potential alone be called as the electrode potential unless it is specifically mentioned. For example, in the case of Daniell cell, zinc have both oxidation and reduction potential. Zinc can lose as well as gain electrons. But in the presence of copper, zinc have more tendency to lose electron. So oxidation potential of zinc is more compared to the oxidation potential of copper. But the reduction potential of zinc is less compared to the reduction potential of copper. So, for avoiding more confusion, IUPAC suggested only reduction potential alone is called electrode potential in electrochemistry. So, in Daniell cell, we can say like this: zinc have low reduction potential and copper possess high reduction potential. Clear? In Daniell cell, zinc possess low reduction potential and copper possess high reduction potential. So here there is a potential difference. Reduction potential values, there is a difference. There is a difference in the reduction potential value, and that difference is responsible for flow of electrons and current. And that difference in potential is called cell potential. The potential difference between the electrodes leads to flow of electrons from negative electrode to positive electrode when the circuit is completed. The direction of current flow is opposite to that of electron flow. Cell potential. The difference between the electrode potential of two half cells is called cell potential and is measured in volts. It causes flow of current from electrode at higher potential to electrode at lower potential. It is also called electromotive force EMF of the cell when no current is drawn from the cell. E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Here E cathode and E anode indicate reduction potential of cathode and anode. In the case of Daniell cell, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. E cell is equal to reduction potential of copper minus reduction potential of zinc. At a standard condition, E0 cell equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. What do you mean by standard electrode potential? When concentration of all species involved in the half cell is unity, then the electrode potential is known as standard electrode potential. It is denoted by E0.